Hello everyone, Casey Ambrose, Walled Lake City Council member. There seems to be another question out there that needs addressing. Why does the city of Walled Lake have a full-time city attorney? Well, it's all about the numbers, folks. It's always about the numbers. Our city attorney, Vahan Vanerian, has represented the city for 15 years. He is part of a large law firm that has represented the city for over 30 years. That contract that we have with this law firm costs us $180,000 a year. What we get for our $180,000 a year is representation at the 52nd 1 District Court, which handles traffic tickets, misdemeanors, zoning issues, planning issues, anything along those lines. All right. Anything else is billable hours. If our attorney has to appear at circuit court or has to represent us in any type of labor relations or grievances, billable hours. Those billable hours historically have ranged from 50,000 to 150,000 additional hours. So, how this came about was Van came to us and said that the firm wants to raise its rates. Raise its rates, okay? Well, we're not going to get any extra services. They just felt that they needed to make more money. Van also expressed an interest in going out on his own. And issue he had was that at the firm, he can't do any additional legal work for anybody. Say if his wife or cousin or relative or some friend needed legal work, everything had to run through the firm. It was all billable hours. So we sat down with Van. We discussed him coming to work for the city, and that we could have him full-time, and he would still be able to go out and build a practice from the beginning, building some clients up, whatever, but as long as he was available to us full-time. That full-time expense was going to be $125,000 a year, which would cover all our legal needs, no additional extras. If we had to go to circuit court, it was covered. If we needed labor relations, it was covered. So it was simple, folks, $125,000 versus a minimum of $225,000. It was so simple that the council voted unanimously 7-0 in favor of hiring Van full-time. So now we got 100% representation for $100,000 less. I hope this answers everyone's question why we have a full-time city attorney.